Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable edge lighting on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on notification pop-up style. After click on notification pop-up style, add lighting effect is here. Click on add lighting effect. After click on add lighting effect, you will see if you want to enable edge lighting, so you will see select feature from here. After select edge lighting, click on done. You will see edge lighting effect is enabled. So that's how you can enable edge lighting on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.